Okay, so in front of us we have a Payne off-brand carrier furnace right here, and what we're doing in this video is we're adjusting the speed of the fan, so the speed of the flow of the vents. If the airflow is a little too strong, we're trying to adjust it a tiny bit less. So first off, you're gonna need to know the serial model number. This is the model number of your furnace, and you have to find in your booklet the airflow charts. So there are different model numbers. So we have 48080, 48080, and then we have to find over here the other chart, which shows us how this main menu flow chart works. So over here we can see your main menu button. We're gonna do this: low speed heating, select menu, heat, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Set it to 11. It's normally at 12, right here. So we're lowering it down just a little bit. It's set at 12, we set it to 11. And that's how easy it is. With the old furnaces, you had to just switch wires. These wires don't come into the board, and you have control setting to play with. And once you hit whatever you want, 13 or whatever, don't forget to press select, and it just increased. You can hear how it increased the blower, and that's it.